Okay na, Jed?
Wait lang. Bukabulog ko ang mata niya. Si Ma'am Harara kung i-full screen ha. Sige na.
Para ka na ka dyan. Hello, Ma'am Har. Good day, Ma'am. We are the students from the University of Science and Technology of the Philippines, or USCP,
Wait lang.
taking the bachelor.
Wait lang. Kaya lang. Sige.
Okay.
Again, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. We are the students from the University of Science and Technology of the Philippines, or the USDP, taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Manufacturing Engineering Technology. I am Mia Vinjan Orta, together with the group members, Mary Chris Arapesa and Judy Diamundi. We are here to conduct an interview for our subject MT104 Business Continuity Mapping. The purpose of this interview is to understand how small and medium enterprises handle crisis, recover, and continue operating. So before we begin with the main questions, ma'am, we would first like to ask you to introduce yourself, your full name, age, civil status, and your position or role in the business.
Okay. Hello. By the way, I'm Hara Mary Raganot, and actually, I and my best friend own this company. I mean, this business. With this business name, we name it MT, stands for Mobile Trend. And actually, to be exact, it's called MT. So from the word itself, gadget hubs, so it means we sell and gadgets, specifically and particularly on iPhones. Those are second-hand, pre-owned. Yes. So aside from that, aside from selling the unit, we offer installment. So that's the type of our business. So we've been running this business for, I guess, more than 6 years. Yeah, 6 years. We started from Paluwagan and then we converted to installment, and then yeah, that's it. From small shop until we build our own building. Actually, we had our own building right now. Yeah, and we from that business we what we call this one uh, forgot the word. We use our income from this business to produce another business, which is construction. Yeah. So, but I am only talking about this empty gadget. Okay. So yeah, that's it. We've been running for almost 6 years now. That's the business, and we sell units, particularly iPhones.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now proceed to questions about your business background to understand its nature and operations. First question is, what type of business do you own and how long has it been operating?
Okay, as I said earlier, it's already 6 years and more, and we basically started from Paluwagan. So I think a lot of you already know how Paluwagan works. So yeah, we gather members, and then but since we I mean we think of something na parang mas pwede pa siya i-convert to something na mas bigger usapan natin. That's why nakauna-una kami na kuha na lang og installment. Pero also, ga-offer gyapon kami ng ibaligya. Pero mas dali manggod sa amo ang customers, client na i-installment siya kay again, daghan jud pala utang. True. Daghan jud pala utang, makaatas one. Bisan asa pa mi na shop, adtuan jud mi og customer. Okay. So, especially nowadays, dili ra jud nowadays, even before, gadgets are very important like because one, we use it as communication, di ba? And then also, aside from that, nothing will get mobiles. Very, siya, necessity na siya somehow. Diba? So, yun, gikuan na mo siya na installment and amuhang way ana is we only require our customer to provide one valid ID, primary and secondary ID. And then, after that, mag-package mo sa location, tapos, explain sa contract, grabe na yun easy. Amuhang tagline yun actually is your one-stop installment shop because dili ramang good maka-avail ka pa which is uban sila wow is it possible to get the phone right away after applying for the installment dili man gud dali na maaprubahan ka. So, on our part most na among target na maka-approve ni diri so at the same time ni dehado. Okay. So, katsada pod sa amo why I can tell na dili pod ni dehado knowing na dali na kayo mo approve sa among customer, it's because though they only I mean though na sila ang unit still we have access not totally na mo kami silang privacy but if dili sila makabayad they will receive notification sa unit and then we can block the unit alone na kapag so situation siya maka-avail sa customer diretso as long ma-comply lang nila ang unsa ang mga requirements na needed o ma-reach po nila unsa po ang age kaya naman yun yung age limit so 18 years above. Okay, so at the same time on our part as a business owner of course manigurado po mo na dili po dagdanan ng customer. That's our way para kapag di makapag si customer, di po gamit cellphone. So, no choice si customer, bayad yun siya. Yeah. So, I think I explained clearly.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. For the second question, ma'am, how many employees do you have and what products or services do you offer?
Okay, so, actually, we had 4 branches. 4. Yes, 2 in Cagayan. Actually, our main branch is located here in Cagayan de Oro. Sa una, sa Ogun, but then, nag-transfer me sa Carmen. And then, yeah, just mentioned from that business, naka-building ko na building, which is now located sa yeah. But again, for our business into something bigger, which is construction, and now we're using that building into a construction firm. Yeah. So going back, we have, aside from 2 branches here in Cagayan de Oro, we also had one in Malaybalay and one in yun, though naman yung mga circumstances, especially travel po longer. So, as of now, we only have one in Talakag and now we're taking our comeback in Cagayan. Yeah, that's it. So, I already explained how our business works. So we sell iPhones. Actually, we do offer before Androids, but dili kaayo mas kuan ni sa iPhones jud kay na man ni makuan man namo naman sabat gani. Matrace man namo if ever dili makakonte grabe ka secure jud si iPhone. I can really tell. Even myself, nagamit jud ko iPhone. Aside the owner ko og iPhone store, ganahan jud ko sa unit yun ni iPhone kay na siya ma-offer sa imo something secure ka ba. Then aside pud sa camera na quality jud siya Then murag high specification jud halos sa for me lang.
So, about sa kwan ma'am, sa kaning nice jud kayang process sa inyong business. Pero
Yeah.
naagapon mo'y gaka-experience nga downfall or crisis sa inyong business?
Always. Yes, that's part of life. Dili man jud even bigger companies same did na. I mean, you cannot feel the success unless dili ka moagi of downfall. Diba?
Yes.
Even life, because that's life. Yes. Aside before me nakakuan og upat ka branches, up and down yun siya. Nakakuan mig branches. Giabot niya yun sa point na nag-file na mi for bankruptcy.
So, what specific steps did you take to continue or recover, and why did you change your business model, product, or strategies?
Yeah. By the way, I would like to answer about the employees pod ba. Actually, giabot man natag 10, din na pa may mga on call. Oo. So, moto. Anyways, going back. So, kuan kaning na kuan mi nag since established na si MT, nag-continue mi as of now of online. Yes, kay sayang manggod kay nung na jud ang amuhang shop pa kapangitaon gali na. So as of now, we're recovering po through online transaction and then kapaluwagan mig balik, which originally dara yun mi nag-start, and then tapos among mga units mas ikuan na mo ba na kani sure jud siya na inana kay sa una ga trial and error pa man mi abot atong Apple ID na mo ginabutang kung pila ka buok sa isa ka cellphone pwede kay mao lagi po ginatas pa namo ba kung okay ra ba isa ka Apple ID daghan units, pero we figure out na need jud siya one Apple ID, one unit. So inana na way na figure out na mo na mas do kote siya pero mas safe man sa mong part. So mo na learn na mas okay na lang ng kote, at least secure. At the same time, ang ako po na learn is no matter how hard life is, kung unsa pa nakakuan ang sa business, as long you are determined and then kuan yun, love mo unsa imong business, mabalik jud gyapon ka. So, kuan lang good, continue lang good, bala magbalik mo sa sugod. Ang importante, padayon, and then isa pud hindi man ka totally gabalik sa zero because the establishment already is there manggod, di ba? Ang uban magali sud pa og balik na magsugod og business tungod wa pa nakaila sa ilaha. Sa inyong proven and tested na mo. Imagine for more than 6 years siya ro walay nakaila sa inyo. Pero I myself maka-attest jud ko na inana kay ang mga former customer mo kaingon jud sila legit jud ni. Yes, bisan ka nasugod kami og online ra karon. Kay again ang amuhang gi-build na building is only for construction mango, dili pwede siya matukuanan. So, yeah. I think na explain na ako.
Thank you so much for your time, Ma'am Har. We truly appreciate the time you've given to us. We hope that your business is on the path to fully recover and doing well. Wishing you continued success and prosperity. Thank you,
Okay.
Ma'am Har.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Hanga ka, oy.